Let's now go to acupuncture for emergencies. Let's discuss high fevers, etiology, and pathology, emergency acupuncture. For high fever, it may be defined as the body temperature exceeding 39 Celsius and lasting over 4 hours. Fever is very common symptom in many kinds of illnesses. The etiology and pathology of high fever may be a symptom of illness caused by any of the six exogenous pathogenic evils. For example, a sudden attack with wind and cold can block defensive yang qi, and the ensuing vigorous struggle between yang qi and the evil qi produces high fever. Alternately, wind and cold may enter the yang ming meridian, where they can transform into heat and produce high fever. In this circumstance, excessive application of diaphoresis or premature purgation can damage the body fluids so that heat accumulates in the stomach and the intestines. Strong heat in the interior then produces high fever. When wind heat and or heat dryness invade, they first attack the lung, where heat accumulates, or the poisons of wind heat disturb the pericardium. In both cases, high fever may result. Summer heat is a yang evil. When a chronically deficient person is exposed to summer heat, it can directly invade the heart and the nutritive level. As summer heat becomes trapped in the interior, it may produce high fever. In hot and rainy weather, heat and dampness are poised to attack. If proper diet injures the spleen and the stomach as well, then the simultaneous action of the exogenous and the endogenous induces accumulation and gelling of dampness and heat in the interior, leading to high fever. Pestilential poisons are highly contagious, pathogenic evils. Attack of such poisons can be fulminant so that they pervade the chi level or lodge in the nutritive or blood level. High fever appears rapidly. In summary, high fever reflects vigorous struggle between genuine and evil chi as the body responds in total to invasion by the exogenous pathogenic evils. It is a necessary result of the imbalance of yin yang with ascendant yang. Uh, for adults, we can use this acupuncture points, use bleeding therapy on the veins of the back of the ears, bleeding and cupping therapy on do 14 point, and then use cupping. For bleeding therapy on the lung 11 and the large intestine 1 points, especially for acute tonsillitis. We can use acupuncture Sanjiao 5 point for deep to the pericardium 6 point. We can use the acupuncture large intestine 11 point. For children, we can use the bleeding therapy on the lung 11 and large intestine 1 points. Use Tian He Shui Tuana technique. There are many Tuana massage therapists in Chinese medicine to solve diseases in children. The Tian He Shui massage is one of them and is used for a child with a fever. We can press and push several times the skin on the palm side of the front arm, for example, the pericardium 6 point. This means to open the Tian He Shui. Um, we can also press and push the skin slightly from the far end of the front arm of the tip of the middle finger, palm side with the rest of the fingers bent several times. Then bend the child's middle finger to touch the palm. Press the child's middle finger to his palm several times. The operator's finger does not touch the palm of the child. After the child starts to sweat, the fever starts to reduce. It usually needs about 5 to 10 minutes. If the body temperature is very high, the pushing manner starts from the elbow to the fingertip. Third, if the fever is still there, and if the child's lips and face are blue in color, a cold condition. Push the index finger, the middle finger, and the third finger all from the fingertip to the pericardium 6 point. If the child's lips and face are red in color, a sign of a fire condition, push push from the pericardium 6 point to the fingertips. Fourth is we can press the pericardium 6 point several times again to end the operation. This is a required step. The fingertips are to press the skin very slightly. For a boy, use his left arm and hand. For a girl, use her right arm and hand. In addition to acupuncture, Chinese herbal therapy is another powerful choice to reduce fever. Thank you for your attention.